This is a style I shot, oh boy, maybe 10, 15 years ago, called She Did That in St. Louis, Missouri. Check it out.
This is my lovely model toy. She's been previously molded with hard gel at the top, sectioned off from the crown to her hairline. The rest of her hair has been soft molded. We're going to apply tracks only here at the top from end to end. This is a very simple style. I like it because it's short. I love short styles. We don't want it to be too full at the top.
Let me tell you about the hair show in Chicago, April 13th. Man, we got the poppin' ponytail competition. We got the loctician competition. Man, we got the old school Marcel competition. We got the lace battle. We got the braid battle. We just added the figure wave battle. Check us out.
Press it down firmly. Apply a spritz for extra hold. We're going to continue with the blonde hair all the way up to a little bit past her crown area.
Y'all see it? 613, one of my favorite colors. So she's going to track this up. Once again,
I
in St.
previously
Louis,
glued tracks
15 years
from
ago.
the hairline
Check it
to the
out.
crown,
Track placement.
vertical. Now I'm going to go diagonal, long way, and start applying color tracks. I'm applying the color tracks because I want it to look as if the illusion of fading going into the style. You're going to do about maybe 4 tracks, depending on the person's head. You're going to apply it upward as close to the blonde tracks as possible. Spray it down with shaper. Now we're going to apply a darker color. It's gradually going to fade from lightest, medium, halfway, and then dark. You're going to apply this track the same way you just did the previous one. You're basically putting the tracks right on top of each other because we don't want to part it. We don't want any parts in this when we get ready to cut it. We want it to blend in flawlessly. So you apply that track basically right on top of the other track. Spray it down with shaper. Now when we get ready to comb the soft hair up, it's going to give the illusion that it's fading. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Pin your hair out the way. Make sure all her that's molded is laid down, secured with a clamp. Spray it down with shaper. And apply the darker color track directly on top of the orange track. Once again, spray with shaper. Now the track is going to be covered because the hair is going to be combed over the track for the illusion of a fade. Kind of like coloring. Make sure all tracks are secure. Okay, now we're going to start razor cutting.
Once again, this color placement gonna be nice, right? This is the original footage, guys, so y'all be patient if you gotta kind of fast forward through it. I didn't edit this too much, and I got some spaces where she was, I guess, cutting the tracks, you know what I mean, moving a little slow. You understand me? But like I said, I wanted to upload this one because I thought it was nice color placements and short hair. Wouldn't take a long time to achieve the look, and I just thought it was pretty cool. But once again, you know, she can cut like St. Louis. You know, I like how they got their little short styles. They really do. Well, at that time, they did a lot of shortcuts. You understand me? And then they also incorporated this technique called the rake, which was definitely a East St. Louis and St. Louis groove. You know what I mean? Where I really saw it, though, was in East St. Louis when I saw it nailed. You know what I mean? Like knocked down and put in a coma, you dig? So that was my other video that I had posted. But this one here, I really, like I said, the track placement on this one, it's not really the artwork, but the track placement and the color placement, you understand me? Not color placement, but you know what I mean, the colors. And just how they highlight it looked like fire to me. You know, it looked like it's gonna explode, you dig? So y'all check it out. We coming close to the end. I think she about to come on back in with a voice, right? So I'm gonna merge on out, let her merge on in. Watch her work, hair. Oh yeah.
I'm going to continue to keep cutting with my razor, but this time I'm going to cut this way because I want to get the illusion of fading out. And then you'll just go back and clean up the other face.
This is Lucy Rue from St. Louis.
We want the middle to be shorter than the hair on the end. But you're gonna make it, cut it in like that on both sides.
Y'all don't laugh at my background. It's
You're
old
gonna
school.
go that way versus going down.
Lucy Rue in the building doing her thing with the razor comb, you dig? But y'all
Continue
wait.
cut in the middle, because you don't really need to cut this into too much, because you still want to leave it a little long so that it can fade on in.
Don't forget
So
to
continue
like,
to cut the middle.
share, and subscribe. Now I got some new videos as well, trust me. But I like the old school, you understand me, the 90s, the early 2000s, you know what I mean? And that's just when everything was creative. Everything just didn't look like the next thing. And that's why, once again, I'm posting this, it looked like something different. And so
Continue
that's what they
cutting
was
to
doing.
the length that you will like,
Uh-huh.
but long enough to achieve the style.
That's right.
And we'll be right back. Okay, we've done razor cutting our bang. Now we're going to shape it with shaper and begin to curl. You want to fully saturate the hair with shaper. That way it lays every strand down versus having a lot of flyaways and you wondering why the hair won't be smooth. So shape it with shaper. Blow dry it. That way you get the shaper worked in really nicely.
Now y'all heard us say her, so you know we in St. Louis, right? That's right. I love the color placement she did on this one time. I keep saying it over and over, but y'all watch
Now
it
we
work.
blow dried the hair. We're going to divide it into two evenly parted sections. Divide into two evenly parted sections. You can kind of eyeball it. Clamp it off. If it's not full enough on one side, part it, section it off. Go all the way down. A good way of making it even, just line it up with her nose.
Talk to him, Lucy. Talk to him.
Part that off. Okay, we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. Starting from the bottom, now we're here.
Come on.
You're going to apply a little shaper. Notch away any unwanted hairs that isn't even.
There it is. Early 2000s. Probably like I don't know, this might be 20, 2012 or maybe 2012, I think. Yeah, STL St. Louis. I forgot what his shop was. What was Lucy's shop? Well, she worked in this shop. Man, I can't think of it. I think it was on Natural Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was on Natural Bridge. For sure. Doing her thing. Look at the curl. Okay, now bringing that 613 to life. I think that's 350 mixed in there, but then I think she put some red in that too. I didn't follow all the colors, but y'all seen it. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Once again, this is the 314 right here, live and in living color. You dig? Digging back in the vault. Used to DJ. Back in the days, I would dig in the crate. You understand me? So now we dealing with the last video I uploaded. It was a VHS. This one here was the DVD era. You feel me? Yeah. Here we go. Come on, talk to him, Lucy.
Real big popular effect that's known in the STL, known as the STL Rakes. Now what this consists of is slightly bumping the hair, applying only oil at the time, and then using a rake comb, to kind of make grooves in the hair. So we're going to saturate the hair with oil. You can be generous with the oil. Warm it up in the palm of your hand and get that product all throughout the hair. If the hair is wavy, it doesn't matter, because when we get done, it's going to look straight.
All right, here we go. Oh, that thing coming to life. Yeah, she putting in these rakes, doing a little technique. Like I said, when I first seen it, I was on East St. Louis over the bridge.
This is the finished look to the style I call She Did That.
Look at it. She did that. I'm just saying. I hope it ain't just me. Y'all hit like and subscribe. Digging back in the crates of creative hair. You feel me? This is St. Louis. Not East St. Louis, but St. Louis. Lucy Rue, baby. You dig? I think it was like 2012 or 2013. We bringing the creative styles to YouTube. Watch us work hair.